We have to take decisions immediately.
Okay.
There can be no direct.
You agree on this?
No, I absolutely agree. So my argument is very simple. This Gram Sabha thing, I agree with you that it cannot be open-ended. I agree with you there have to be mechanisms by which chaos is not allowed. I agree with you there has to be a mechanism by which Gram Sabhas have to give positive things as far as the economy is concerned. I absolutely agree with you. But do not for one moment tell me that the Gram Sabhas are a bunch of idiots there who don't know what they're saying and what they're doing. This is the argument I do not buy. That's the point.
सांग तुका रावला सांग.
ताणे ते इडियट बी म्हणला तो हांवें म्हणूंक ना.
बरें.
ताच्या म्हणा.
काय म्हणून ना तुवें म्हणलें
See,
पळय.
when suppose I want to I will tell you how the system work as on today.
Yes.
आता हाणी ते sophistication म्हणून SMS बी धाडले.
Right.
But suppose an MLA wants to join Congress or the independent support करपा जाय काँग्रेसीक. तो कितें करता? तो SMS धाडना. तो आपल्या कार्यकर्त्यांक आफयतलो. कळ्ळें न्ही? What is कार्यकर्ते?
We all know that is an eyewash.
No.
असली example दी नाका.
तुका सांगता.
असली example दी नाका.
So no, this is democracy.
You're asking the person on the ground.
Getting people to one side, getting people to one side.
You listen to me.
Okay, let him finish. Let him finish. Okay, let him finish.
तुम्ही SMS धाडले ते सगळे eyewash ते.
They eyewash.
You are being elected by thousands of people, and you are asking SMS of hundreds of people. आणि म्हणलं की आपण गव्हर्नमेंट करता म्हणून. This is also eyewash. ते लोकांक तू सारखे फटे सगळे. काय रे? थोडे एज्युकेटेड पीपल इवन.
आता okay. Let him finish. Yeah, okay. What is the point?
As on today consultative process कसो चलता? MLA suppose कितें बांदूंक जाय ना.
हय. MLA सगळा पक्ष सोडपाक जाय.
तो आपल्या कार्यकर्त्यांक आफयतलो.
बरोबर.
He knows who has worked for him. He wants to get elected.
पहिली दीस सांजे मीटिंग घेतलो.
आता कसो आफयतलो? कोणाक आफयलो? माझ्या हातून तो शेखराक आफयतलो. कित्याक तो खबर आहा काय शेखराकडे आणि 100 जाण आसतले सकयल. कळ्ळें न्ही? इट इज अ स्टेप फॉर यू कॅनॉट कॉल एव्हरीवन. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तांणी केला तेच करताले फक्त लिटल बिट इन ओल्ड फॅशन टायप की ते आपल्या कार्यकर्त्यांक यू नो न्ही हांव जाणा न्ही म्हजे कार्यकर्ते कोण ते हांव जावं बाबा म्हजे 100 सामके घट कार्यकर्ते ना मागीर आमकां खबर आहा हे हेवटेन तेवटेनले कार्यकर्ते आहा म्हाका खबर आहा ही घरां म्हजी सपोर्ट करता ही म्हाका सपोर्ट करता आय नो दॅट इनसायड वेन आय एम स्टँडिंग फॉर अ काउन्सिलर इलेक्शन
म्हाका एक गजाल सांग
खबर आसा सो हांव जर
हायपोथेटिकल प्रश्न
म्हाका सपोज म्हाका वचपाक जाय जाल्यार हांव विल आस्क टू दोज हाऊसेस ओनली
बरोबर
This is now a lesson on defection.
म्हाका वचपाचें ना
This is basically a chronology of defections. How to take place. I sincerely believe that Dr. Shekhar Sharda should be in the forefront to advise Vishnu Bagh from now on.
मुगेलो सादो प्रश्न आहा दिस माइट साउंड हायपोथेटिकल कळ्ळें फाल्यां समजा गोंया भितर एक अशें सरकार आयलें समजा फाल्यां आम आदमी पार्टीचें आयलें अशीच परिस्थिती आयली 21 सीट मेळना 18 सीट मेळ्ळे गोंयाक हे मोबायलाचें इंटरनेटाचें पेनेट्रेशन इतलें आसा फाल्यां जर तांणी विचारलें की आमकां SMS करून सांगात म्हाका इतली शुअर आहा की एटलिस्ट 80% लोक तांकां मेसेज करून सांगतले सरकार करचें काय करनाका तें अशी परिस्थिती भितर जेन्ना आमची इतली बरी पेनेट्रेशन आसा तातूंत तांणी विचारलें कितें चुकलें
हांव चुकलो
तांणी कार्यकर्त्यांक कितें विचारपाक जाय
ही सेड दे हॅव ऑलरेडी डिसायडेड ही नाटकां सगळीं लोकांक करून सांगू आमी तुका विचारलें म्हणून दीस डजंट वर्क ही टेम्पररी तुका 2 दीस येतले आतांच पळय तूं ग्राफ कसो तांचो तो टुडे ओनली द ग्राफ इज शोईंग वॉट इज देयर पोजिशन यू कांट गो ऑन फुलिंग एव्हरीवन एव्हरी टायम इट इज अ टायम तुवें सारकें आपलें गव्हर्नमेंट करून दाखोवंक जाय तुवें आयक तूं आतां हें कन्सल्टेशन म्हणटा न्ही कन्सल्टेशन तुवें घेतलें तांणी सांगलें आमकां लायट जाय आमकां हें जाय तें जाय तें करपाक तुका टायम जाय सगळो अनलेस यू गिव देम लायट यू कॅनॉट गिव देम फ्री लायट
तुमी म्हणटात की इवन तांगेले लोकांक विचारपाक जो मुद्दो आसलो इट इज ऑल्सो एन आय वॉश
See, it is eyewash only.
जर तुमकां दिसता की इवन
So that means the whole India against corruption movement was an eyewash that everybody.
It is just
the India against movement against corruption.
I will resign if Jan Lokpal.
No, one moment.
This is
no, that is different.
India against corruption was an eyewash. It has to begin from there, right?
Okay.
Because that means India against corruption is an eyewash.
It's a continuous eyewash.
Okay. Unless the India against corruption members support a certain party,
I see. Eyewash. It is eyewash.
Don't support a certain party.
It is a type of
manipulation.
Manipulation.
Every political party manipulates, and the Aam Aadmi party manipulates for the Aam Aadmi. All the rest of them manipulate.
Okay, but what is your view? This is a very interesting point. He says की even messages घेवप लोकांकडच्यान आणि गोंयासारख्या राज्यां भितर तर एटलीस्ट 80% लोक मेसेज धाडून सारके सरकार करिकाक करनाका ते
जशें दोतोर म्हणटा की कन्सल्टेटिव्ह प्रोसेस जी आसा न्ही ती आसपा जाय ही बरीच बरोबरच गजाल त्याच्या बद्दल वाद ना पूण आम आदमी पार्टीन एक उदाहरण घालून दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लें की आमी लोकांक बरोबर घेवन कशा तरेन निर्णय घेता. दिल्ली हे देशा फुडें एक उदाहरण आसा सध्या. लोकसभा इलेक्शन ते लडोवपाचें आसा. दिल्लीन तांणी दाखोवन दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लें. थंय तांकां जमलें ना. दिल्लीन ते निवडून कशे आयले. आम आदमीचे एक जशें
I agree with this point that Aam Aadmi Party has been a baby that has been trying to run even before it has learned to walk. This part I agree. But that it is a
Let him finish.
Excuse me, Dr. Salkar, as Aam Aadmi Party member, I have the right to criticize Aam Aadmi Party. As a BJP member, you criticize BJP, you are out from it. Okay. The point I'm trying to say is that Aam Aadmi Party may have made mistakes, but it will acknowledge its mistakes, and whatever mistakes have been made are sincere mistakes.
माझा मुद्दा कंप्लीट झाला ना.
These mistakes may not have happened if the Lok Sabha elections were not.
या देशान वेगवेगळ्या लोकांनी सांगले की आम्ही बदल घडयतले. जयप्रकाश नारायणान सांगले आम्ही नवनिर्माण करतलो. बीजेपी आयली, बीजेपीन सांगले आम्ही
पार्टी विथ डिफरन्स
नाही पुनर्निर्माण करतले, परत देश करतले. आता आम आदमी पार्टी सांगता आम्ही परिवर्तन करतले. पण ऍक्च्युअल तांणी कितें केलें, तांणी फ्रीबीज वाटल्यो. तांणी सांगले आम्ही इतले लिटर उदक फ्री दितले, लायट 50% दितले. म्हणजे बाकीचे स्लम्स जे लोक रावतात तांकां आमी घरां बांदून दितले. बाकीचे राजकीय पक्ष जे सावथाचे पक्ष करतात तेच तुम्ही केले. दुसरे म्हणजे तुमकां मिडियान अटेन्शन दिले, मिडियाची पब्लिसिटी तुमकां दिली, तेन्ना तुमकां मिडिया बरी आशिल्ली. आता जेन्ना तुमचेर क्रिटिसिजम जावपाक लागलो तेन्ना तुम्ही ते टायम्स नांवाचेर तुमचो मनीस वचना, थंय बॉयकॉट केला ताका, एक खुर्ची थंय रिकामी दवरता. तुमकां तुमी जे करतले ते बरोबर, आमी सज्जन बाकी सगळे दुर्जन, हे जे आहा न्ही हे सामकें चुकीचें.
क्लियोपास बाब, तुमकां दिसता की देर इज अ सेन्स ऑफ एरोगन्स दॅट हॅव कम?
खूप आसा.
Yes.
No, yes.
I am saying that.
See, that no, there is a
Yoga
sense
doesn't have to say it. I say that
there
there is definitely a sense of moral arrogance that has come
Let us
about in
come.
Aam.
So best
And
chance
that-
to look at now.
and that is something that has to be corrected. Absolutely.
There is a sense of arrogance. There is a sense of indecent hurry in doing things.
Correct.
And the third thing I find is that somehow they have been on a confrontationist path.
Correct.
They somehow, now see, take the case of the Lokpal, Jan Lokpal bill, which, see, there is no need to push it in that form. In fact, today I was reading on Times of India where they say bring an amendment. We don't have to pass it at Ramlila ground. See, these are all theatrics which could have been avoided.
Correct. I agree with all these points, but the point also that I want to make in defense of Aam Aadmi Party, because now that is my
Definitely. You have to.
in defense of Aam Aadmi Party, the point I want to make is that this fledgling party, which has the minds and hearts, in my opinion, of a million Indians, millions of Indians, is trying to fight against a system that is so entrenched and is so corrupt. I mean, today the Congress is sitting on its high horse and telling how the Jan Lokpal should be drafted, and this is not according to the constitution. What the hell were you doing for 3 years when people were screaming about corruption? Where were you at last moment? Rahul Gandhi comes and tears up ordinances and decides to pass a bill or pass a thing. Where were you for 3 years?
Dr. Salkar will be very happy with this.
No, exactly. This is what he's happy about. So Dr. Salkar is happy when the Congress is hit, but he's unhappy when the BJP is hit on the same issue. The point is the same issue. The issue is the same. So because Gujarat, for instance, doesn't have a Lokayukt. But if I say that, then he'll look very angrily at me. You understood? So this is the point that we are trying to make. Ultimately, there's two sides of the same coin.
Is not needed in
No. Why? Because in Gujarat you don't have. In Gujarat you don't have a consultative process.
System is going very
You don't
well.
have a consultative process. That's why you don't need the.
There is
Lokayukt.
accountability is there. That's why it is a problem.
Anyway, you can keep selling that drivel. But the point what I'm trying to make is that certainly Aam Aadmi Party has made mistakes. Certainly Aam Aadmi Party has been in a tearing hurry. Even Yogendra Yadav has accepted this, one of the important think persons in the party. Certainly they have taken this confrontationist position, but I think they reflect in many ways the anger of the common man on the road.
Okay.
And that anger is getting
before winding this up, माझा टाइम संपला. पण तर म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, तू ज्या तरेन तांकां क्रिटिसायज करता पळय ते बरें आहा, तांकां कांय पॉयंट्स वॅलीड आहात, ताचे बदल हें ना. पण जो भुरगो एक एसएससीक बसता तागेली टर्मिनल सुद्दां जावच्या एग्जाम 6 म्हयन्याची, तू सांगता की तू एसएससी पासच जावपाक शकना म्हणून.
हांव असं म्हणना.
I'll take a last
नाही, हांव एकूच वाक्य सांगता, जो एसएससी अजून पास जावना तो आपण ग्रॅज्युएट आशिल्ल्या भशेन दाखयतात.
बरोबर.
तुका तुजी लिमिट पळय आनी तू वाग न्ही.
पण तू एसएससी जावचो ना म्हणून कितें सांगता का?
हांव जावचो ना म्हणून सांगू नाका. हांवें ताका सांगलां तू जे करता ते म्हणून हांव बरोबर हांव एसएससी बसतलो तू बसू नाका एसएससी तू ना जावचो अशें म्हणनाका.
कोण म्हणना
आपुणूच बरो तुम्ही सगळे आनी कळ्ळें न्ही. अँड देन इफ यू आर लायक दॅट तू म्हणटा जर त्या पोलिसांचे हेड शूड रोल इफ देर इज अ बलात्कार समवेअर दॅट हेड ऑफिस शूड रोल दॅन सोमनाथ पार्टी शूड हॅव गॉन होम नाव.
डबल स्टँडर्ड
डबल स्टँडर्ड बरे तुम्ही तुमचे दाखया की ना आम्ही बरोबर करता अशें. राखी ऑल्सो वील गो होम दीस ऑल्सो वील गो होम हें दाखय मरे सामकें.
बरें बरें जर फायनल म्हाका एकच गजाल सांगात. एवरीबडी नोज तुमी सांगले तशें की जर लोकसभा इलेक्शन नाशिल्लें आनी तें जर 2015 आशिल्लें घडये आमकां इतलो केवस दिसनाशिल्लो.
करेक्ट.
रायट नाव देर आर ओनली 2 months लेफ्ट. वॉट इज युअर एडवायस टू आम आदमी पार्टी?
See, they should perform. They should perform in Delhi. They should
That will be
perform.
enough.
No, that should. I mean, right now they have no other option. No, they are there in Delhi, and they should mirror their performance from Delhi. Then, of course, next is they are talking of Haryana. Haryana may be a good ground for them, but they should perform.
Right now they should only focus on
performance in Delhi.
Yeah.
Because they are
Final
there.
advice.
नाही कशें आसा की आम आदमी पक्ष कसो जाला की आमी गॅस आसता पळय तो कलरलेस ओडरलेस टेस्टलेस तशे लोक सगळे वेगवेगळे विचारधारांचे ते एकठांय आयल्या. जे मध्यम वर्ग जो आतापर्यंत राजकारणी चर्चाच करतालो तो खंय तरी ताका दिसले की आपण प्रत्यक्ष भितर येवचे.
आपण स्टेक होल्डर
म्हणजे जे व्यावसायिक आसा दोतोरा सारखे तांकां दिसता की बदल घडपा जाय तांकां ते एक व्यासपीठ मेळ्ळें. थंय कसली आयडियोलॉजी लागना सगळ्या तरेचे लोक थंय येवंक शकता. पूण ह्या जे उल्लेख केलो हो गॅस जो हॅलोजन लायटस्ट गॅस सामको तो वयर वयर वचत आसता पूण खंय तरी एक तो बलून फुट्टा बस जाता केन्ना तरी. ती स्टेज हाडून दिवची न्ही. लोकांच्यो ज्यो अपेक्षा आसा न्ही लोकांच्यो खूब अपेक्षा आशिल्ल्यो अण्णाच्या आंदोलना कडल्यान आशिल्ल्यो. अण्णांचे गुडवील फुडें घेवन केजरीवाल मुखार गेलो. खंय तरी लोकांच्यो अपेक्षा त्यो पूर्ण करपा जाय नाजाल्यार परत लोकांचो विश्वास उठतलो असल्या चळवळींचो अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Let this not be a bubble and let it not burst.
Absolutely, I totally agree. I totally agree with this because even we who entered in with a lot of expectations, we've been disillusioned.
You look at things in a neutral perspective also. What will be your advice to your own
I do
party?
not look at it from a neutral perspective.
What will be your advice to your own party?
दोतर पळयता केजरीवाल पळयना.
No,
केजरीवाल सगळेच पळयना.
My argument is very simple.
Final comments. Yeah.
My argument is very simple, particularly for us, the upper middle class, as well as the wealthy class of this particular country, which is really just about 5 to 10%. What Aam Aadmi Party represents is not substitute politics like Yogendra has said. The BJP and the Congress are substitute politics, the same politics, one doing the other. Aam Aadmi Party represents an alternative type of politics, completely different. So when something completely different comes, of course it is going to be chaotic in the beginning, of course it's going to look very confusing in the beginning, and there are going to be lots of mistakes.
And Lok Sabha election has created more confusion.
Absolutely. Yeah. But the point is that we are looking as if 2014 is the final year. After this, the country is dead or the country is going to sink or something like that. There is still time to keep on building up on this ideology of Aam Aadmi Party, or fine-tuning it. And what is the ideology ultimately? Forget about all the specific details, which I may agree, the mistakes that are there in all these things. But the fundamental ideology is where there is no sectarian divide in the party. There is no Hindu, Christian, Muslim, upper caste, lower caste, who speaks what language. Nobody cares. That's one, which no other party has, including the Congress, which claims... There is no argument from your side on this. The second important point is where the people also participate in the form of governance. How that has to be coming out?
So your simple suggestion is,
and accountability.
Your simple suggestion is, let us not be in hurry.
This alternative politics is here to stay.
This alternative politics has to be within the four corners of the constitution and the existing law.
Existing law. मागीर इतल्या जर सारखे सगळे आयकता की लास्टाक कायदे तज्ञाचे एक वाक्य सगळे समप करता. म्हाका समप करपाची कसलीच गरज ना. तुम्ही 4 जण आयले, इतली बरी भशेन मुद्दे मांडले. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.